and welcome to today's grammar lesson with me, Bita.
And me, Tanya. Today we have a guest. His name is
Lee. And Lee wants to talk about his family.
And here's our guest, Lee.
Hey Lee, how are you?
Hi, I'm great. How are you, Bita?
I'm good, thanks.
And Per, how are you?
I'm okay.
I don't care.
Okay, we want to talk about your family.
Okay.
Tell us about your family, please.
Sure, my family. So, my mother is...
Wait. Is that my drink?
No, it's not. It's not your drink. It is my drink, Per.
Are you sure?
Yes, it's Lee's.
Okay.
Okay, your mother?
Yeah, my mother is...
Where is my pen?
Oh my god, not again. Is this your pen, Per?
No, it's Sarah's pen.
Wait, that's her pen? Why is it here?
I don't know, but it's not your pen.
Okay.
Yes.
Family.
Per? My mother is... oh my god.
Where's my phone?
Per, let me talk about his family.
Okay.
Your
Per,
family.
please. So, there are four of us. I have a sister. Her name is Ashley. She's 24 years old and her major is teaching. And my mother, her name is Madeline and her last name is O'Brien.
How about your father?
My father, well, his name is Peter and he is an accountant. His office is near our apartment. Oh, by the way, Per, I have a family cat. Actually, we have a family cat. Its name is Morty.
Aww.
Yeah, he's a boy, so I can say his name is Morty, and he's 2 years old. It's such a cute cat. And this is his picture. Look.
Oh,
No, I want a
nice.
cat.
Yeah, everybody does.
What a nice family.
Yeah, his cat is also really cute.
And his sister.
Today we want to talk about possessive adjectives.
What are those?
Let's take a look at the sentences Lee said. My father is an accountant. His name's Morty. Her major is teaching. Look at these words. My, your, his, her, its, our, and their.
What do my, your, his, her, its, our, and their show?
They show that someone has something.
Oh, so we use possessive adjectives to show something belongs to someone.
That's right. For example, my pen, her pen, his cat.
What comes after these words?
After them, we always use a noun, like pen, book, house, mother.
Mother?
Yes, we also use possessive adjectives to talk about family members, friends, colleagues, or roommates.
Oh, so we use them to talk about relationships.
That's right. So, Brad is your brother.
And your sister is beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
Ow, my
sorry.
arm.
Sorry. Oh, good job, Per.
Huh?
You said, my arm.
Oh, I used my.
Yes. We also use possessive adjectives to talk about parts of the body.
Oh, for example, wash your hands or close your eyes.
That's right. Now let's review.
Okay, so we use possessive adjectives when we want to say someone has something. For example, I have a dog. My dog is smart. You have a sister. Your sister is funny. Lee has a cat. His cat is cute. Sarah has a car. Her car is white. We also use possessive adjectives to talk about relationships. For example, we can say, Lee is our colleague. They have a teacher. Their teacher is very young. We also use possessive adjectives to talk about parts of the body. For example, your eyes are beautiful.
Also for animals, we say its.
Lee has a cat. Its name is Morty.
Now it's your turn. If you're in class, tell your partners about your family. If you're at home, talk about your family members and record your voice.